Hey there.
Hi.
How's everybody doing? Hi,
Hello.
Visionettes. Hey, it is a wonderful day, spectacular. I hope you're feeling fabulous today like
Blessed
we are.
to see another one.
So blessed and super excited.
Yes.
Aren't we always excited? We want you guys to get
we
excited
try hard
too.
to be.
Thank you for tuning in on this live or on the
Yes.
replay. If anything that we say today, or in any of our videos for that matter, we really want you to comment, to offer feedback, to give us insight, ask us questions,
Absolutely.
and we will get back to you, okay?
Right.
We really want to hear back from you. We don't want to just be talking to you without getting some feedback so that we can make sure that we're resonating with you and
Of
giving
course.
you the results, helping you to get the results you're looking for, or at least answer the questions, right? So, this is Boss Up Biz Talk. It is a place where you come to get real, to get ready, and to get results, okay? And not only do we offer you the tools, tips, and resources so that you can implement in your life and in your business immediately. Okay? That is the operative word here. But you also have the opportunity to start with where you are, work with what you have,
Yes.
and do what you know so
Yes.
that you can live the life you were always meant to live. All
I
right?
love that.
So I am Catrina.
And I'm Twana, and we educate, guide, support, and empower aspiring women entrepreneurs to invest in a high-end service-based business that's in alignment with their passion and purpose.
That's right. We are coming to you today to talk about a major, okay? Can I say that can I emphasize that anymore? It's a major
Right.
event that's going on. Okay, it is not just the event. It is like I don't even know how to really express it, but it's girl,
I like life changing.
it's your life,
Because
okay?
girl, it's your life.
It is a life changer. It is a life changer.
Right.
That is exactly what it is. It is going to be a transformational
Yeah, I love that.
event that is so in alignment with our brand, because that is exactly what we do. That's what makes us different, is that we take a holistic approach in helping you to transform your lives, okay? So we are a part of a tour, hand selected for this tour. And it
Yeah.
is just a few of us trailblazers that's going to
Yay.
be coming to meet you where you are.
That's
is
right.
actually the
where you are.
that's right? So that is exactly what we're doing. We're coming to where you are. You don't have to come to us. We're coming to you.
Coming
That's
to
the
you.
exciting part, to a city near you.
And it's not 15 now. It's
18 cities strong across the nation, okay? So we are going to be just getting out there, getting an opportunity to meet you all
Face
to
to
face.
face.
Yes, it's been a
Nothing
lot
better.
of you that we've been talking with over the internet, or
Right.
getting to know through our social media platforms. But it's just nothing like
that
face to
exciting?
face, right?
Right.
Nothing like face to face. It's so much more personable. So we're just so excited about that.
So let's tell them.
Yeah.
Today, we're going to share with you a few things. Not everything. We'll
Of
be
course,
on here
not
for
everything.
hours, but a few things that you're going to be able to expect, okay, when you do attend this 18-city tour
Right.
at any city near you,
Right.
whichever is convenient.
Mhm.
Hey, attend more than one.
Mhm.
So let's share some of that with the audience. Let's let them know what they can look forward to.
Okay. Yeah.
One or two things to start.
Okay, so some of the things that we actually teach specifically in our signature program
Yeah.
that we'll be talking to you a little bit about as a part of our teaching content on this tour is how to shift your mindset. And I know that's just said kind of loosely these days. You got to
It
shift
really
your mindset. You got to shift your mindset.
Right.
And then you don't even really know exactly what that means or really how to do it. Well, we are going to actually tell you how to do it.
Yes.
We are going to teach you how to reprogram and reboot your mind, okay? We're going to talk about how you are hardwired for service excellence.
That's it.
We are going to talk about
What is it? Tapping into their magnitude of greatness.
That's right.
Please don't forget that.
That's
one.
right. Stop hiding behind your shadows and step into the magnitude of
That's
your
right.
greatness for sure.
Get out of your own way.
That's right.
Okay, get out of the way.
Exactly.
Mhm.
We are going to teach you how to revive your vision.
Reclaim, revamp,
That's right. Rebuild.
rebuild.
Okay.
Oh, I love that one.
Yes.
Rebuild.
Okay.
Love that.
So The next thing we're going to be talking to you about is your business core, how to build your business core.
Very important.
That's right. We give you the basic building blocks that you need to create a solid foundation from which to build from.
And even those that have already started, there's a few things that they're still doing that's not getting them where they need to be.
So true.
So they need direction. They need guidance. They need the support.
Yep.
Okay?
So
regardless
true.
of if you're a startup or if you've been running it for 2 or 3 years.
Right.
If you haven't hit that goal, the mark, the one you've been intending to hit for, I don't know, years now, you haven't achieved it to this day, you need the help.
You need the help.
This is the conference for you.
Exactly.
This is the tour you don't want to miss.
So true.
So,
yes.
How about
and then,
1 or 2 others?
Yeah, well, and then we're going to teach you how health is your wealth, the direct correlation, how to connect the dots between the two.
That's really, really huge.
It's huge. It's so major.
And you know what's important? I think a lot of people really don't know or even understand how just ridiculously important, how ridiculously on a large scale that health plays into the success of your business.
Right.
Not just the fact that if you're not feeling well, you're not going to be able to show up and show out.
Right.
But if literally you're just not doing well, with your health, the way you're maintaining your exercise or lack thereof, and the things that how you're handling stress, how you're handling work-life balance.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you're not going to be in business for long.
Right.
You're not going to continue to enjoy that freedom,
That's so
power,
true.
and fulfillment.
Yeah.
Because you're going to experience a decline. Health-wise, you're not going to be able to sustain. So guess what? Business is doing decent, starting to build, starting to grow, but you're going the other way.
So true.
Okay? You're not going to be around the longevity of it all. You know what I mean? To really get to where you want to be and enjoy it. You need your health to be in check. It needs to match the level of success. That's right. That you're experiencing in the business world.
So we want to teach you how to work smarter, not harder. We want to make sure that you really do have the flexibility. You want it that, how do you create revenue streams? How do you take the skills that you have and utilize the educational background that you have to wean your way out of corporate and make that transition very smoothly into the business world?
Exactly.
What exactly is it that you need to do? How do you connect your passion to your purpose?
To your purpose.
How do you do all of these things and still have work-life balance so that you can have more quality of life, more quality of time with your family, your friends, so that you can travel. Yes. So we're going to teach you all of that on this tour.
And then some.
Exactly.
Besides meeting you face-to-face, besides being able to answer your questions, spending that one-on-one quality time, we're going to be inspired, motivated, uplifted. And when I say it's a downright celebration, it's a party, if you will. Okay, ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. What?
I'm ready. What's up? Well, have you guys heard? That's the new anthem, ladies. Check it out. Okay.
So, we really want you guys to make sure you come out, get to meet and greet.
Right.
Start those relationships now.
Yes.
Don't put them off.
Your
you
net
need to start
worth. Work.
Come on
is
now.
your net worth.
One more time.
Your net worth
is your
net worth.
All right,
okay,
ladies,
build those relationships.
Let's get started.
And if you want something to get you quickly motivated, why not check out our short read? Okay, we have our bestseller here. Okay, and it is titled The Untold Story: Live with Your Regrets, Die with Your Dreams, or choose to walk in your awesomeness. It is a quick read, a motivational guide, and we're going to have that with us as well.
Yes.
You guys listen. We're coming on.
Cannot wait.
Right, coming on this tour with Miss Lori Peltzer, okay?
Oh my,
and an entourage of trailblazers.
Look it up.
That's right. So we'll see you there, okay?
Yes.
Until next time, we are wholeheartedly in this journey with you.